darkness. For millennia, it was all ancient skywatchers could see when they peered into the night. The observable stars and glittering galaxies, so many jewels on black velvet, were once thought to be the sum of all that exists. It took a rebel in a man's world to realize the truth. The cosmos was hiding something vast, strange, and invisible. This is the story of Vera Rubin, the astronomer who, against obstruction, ridicule, and neglect, pulled back the curtain on the greatest secret of the universe. It was 1948. In a world awakening from war but still steeped in tradition, a young Vera prepared to defend her master's thesis at Cornell. She had noticed something odd. Galaxies didn't seem to obey the expected script. She'd found cosmic anomalies, spirals that spun too quickly, stars whipped around at rates theory could not explain. But her questions were met not with fascination, but dismissal. A woman daring to puzzle the cosmos? The committee told her she must have made a mistake. Others, more subtle, urged her to be practical. She had 2 children and another on the way. Perhaps you should find a hobby more suited for a woman, they said, polishing their own careers while hers seemed stuck in the margins. Vera wouldn't step aside. She squeezed in hours at the telescope while her children slept. She documented, calculated, planned. When she applied to Princeton to get a doctorate and unlock more of the universe's mysteries, she found the doors barred by policy. No women allowed. So she took her dreams to Georgetown. There she met Kent Ford, a physicist building high-speed detectors, just as Vera was desperate to gather sharper data on galaxies. Together, they made an unstoppable pair. Kent built the tools. Vera asked the impossible questions. Night after night, Vera fixed her eye against the eyepiece, often the first woman ever permitted in those hallowed domes. The whispers were constant. One time, the observatory had no bathroom for women. She taped a skirt to the men's restroom sign. In the lonely hours before dawn, she watched, fascinated, as distant galaxies spun. If Isaac Newton's laws held, stars at the edges should orbit more slowly, like the outer horses on a merry-go-round. But the edges of these galaxies spun as fast as the centers. This wasn't just unusual, it was impossible. Unless something unseen, some colossal hidden mass was giving them invisible momentum. It was as if most of each galaxy was haunted by a ghostly hand. Dark matter. The phrase would unsettle physicists for decades. Vera Rubin's careful measurements, verified across 100 spiral galaxies, found invisible matter outweighs the luminous by 5 to 1. She'd proved that the tranquility of our familiar universe was a mask. Beneath it, a cosmic shadow from which stars and galaxies emerged. But triumph didn't come with a parade. Some dismissed her findings, calling